A Long Island Railroad train coming into the city slammed into a vehicle parked on the tracks early Tuesday, sparking a commuter nightmare during the morning rush hour, authorities said. The 657A.M. train from Farmingdale struck the vehicle just east of the Bethpage station about 7:10 a.m. No injuries were reported, according to an MTA spokesman. The Ronkonkoma line was suspended in both directions as investigators try to figure out how the train got on the tracks. Customers were advised to take alternate LIRR trains on their way to work, the spokesman said.